Hi, this is Mike B. I am validating an OMP. It's being applied tonight. I expected it to have been applied last night. I just want to validate what I might expect in terms of warnings or validation messages. Since it already exists on UAT, I'm expecting I'd get a message that this already exists on UAT and would still update. So testing that theory out, and also I'm curious to see the nature of what it displays in terms of its publication. It should match, in theory, then whatever's going in tonight, I'm thinking, unless the version is a separate process on each environment. But anyway, so this is what I'm doing. So I'm sharing my desktop. I'm getting rid of the floating meeting control. This is my remote desktop where I have the environment. And I've already restored it, or excuse me, yeah, I've already run the OMP once here. I'm going to run it again. But first, I'm going to just check to see what it says. It should say what it will say in production tomorrow morning. Okay. So it still says it's a work in progress, which is not what we wanted. It should have been published. Okay. So tomorrow I'm expecting it will still say work in progress. But just for grins, I'm going to try installing it again here. Let's see what happens. So tools, object migration, new import package. Choosing the file again. There it is. Validate. I'm going to wait for it to complete. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and import it. Import pending, it says. Okay. So I'm going to check my email. see here. Actually, I should be able to check in UAT, the UAT environment itself, by going to here and duplicating. And I'm logged in. It's taking me home. Home. Notifications. Okay, it says importing a package is complete. I've done this twice now, once at 1:55 and just now at approximately 2:30. So I'm going to shut down the OMP tool and go back in again to and there's the object. What does that look like? Okay, it says we're still connected to that object in CST-BERT. Let's see what that object looks like. Okay, so go to CST-BERT. So CST-BERT and CPCon. So there it is. So it's going to say 12.5 work in progress. I wonder if I can just publish it and it'll be done. Let me try that. So going back to the object here. First off, I should see if it's runnable. First off, let's see if that's the case. So here's the report. So running. And it is runnable. Okay, good. And if I just do an OK, what happens? Gives us everything. 3539. Okay. So now I'm going to open it up. What are options? I'm going to find that document and open it. Click on it and then accept it, right? No, you click on it. Okay. Okay, there we go. And so now I'm going to say publish. Now it's published. And I'm going to see what it looks like in Document Manager. Well, first off, let me see if I can run it again. Should be able to, and it should be the same object. And it is. Just for grins, I'm going to run it again. And that's the same result. Okay. So now I'm going to go to Document Manager. CST BERT. Enter. I'm going to bring up that object. Okay. And now it's going to say 13 published and not be something that you can check out. Which is interesting. Well, all of mine are work in progress, where everything is a work in progress. Maybe work in progress is legitimate for everything. Let's see here. What about the WBS codes? CP. That's a published. Okay. Okay. CPCon. So it's going to say 12.5 work in progress and be in this checked out state. And these others files that are currently in this work in progress state, those were promoted incorrectly in my way of thinking. They should have been promoted as a published report. But live and learn. So that's actually on a list of things I was planning to speak with Swati about anyway. We'll make sure to make that happen in the next promotion if there is one in the near future. And that's it.